Waterfalls Christian Academy is located on the outskirts of Lusaka, along the eastern road that leads to Malawi. Whereas the nursery children meet in the mud-walled church building, the primary section of the children meet under a mango tree for their classes.
We've got animals that feed on the grass. We've got animals that feed on what? Grass.
The tree inside the school compound has been modified into a children's play station. The children are given one hot meal every week on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays.
Around 12:30.
My name is Grace Spirit. I'm the teacher at Hilltop Academy. I teach the nursery class, and here behind me is the classroom for the babies and also the church.
My name is Teacher Kenneth Piri, and I teach grade 1, 2, and 3. Then we start our lessons from 8 hours to 14:30. Then at 12 hours, we might have our lunch time. Then at 13 hours, we start our lessons again up to 14:30.
The borehole, which was funded by COG Global, helps to provide water to over 10,000 people who live in this community.
Students from Waterfalls are singing. We lay under the mango tree. Please help us.
My name is Bishop Dr. Frank Binga, and I'm the founder president of Hilltop Lighthouse Global Ministries. And in the ministry, we have a vision to also not only preach Christ, but also to help those that need to know academically. They need to go to school. We want to thank COG Global for helping us, because they identified a place here for us, and they paid for this place, which we want to build a school. Now in this area, children, they don't go to school. The schools are very, very far, and because of that, we find that children, they stay at home without going to school. But we thank COG for what they have done, because through their encouragement and also by buying land for us, we are so thankful, because we needed this land so that we can put up a school that will help children. We are believing God that being that the land has been bought by COG, we are believing that we need to build classrooms. We need almost 8 classrooms.
Thank you, God.